Hey everybody, and welcome to day 3 of 6th hour, 4th quarter distance learning. It is great to have you here. It has been so much fun to get to know you guys a little bit through your Flipgrid videos, your responses to the daily questions, and also in seeing you guys talk to each other on Google Classroom. You seem like such an awesome bunch of students. So nice job so far, and I'm really happy you're here, as I've said before. This video is about some basics that I'm realizing I think we all need some refreshing on. And so I want every single student to watch this video the whole way through. It's going to give you a lot of information. If it's a review, that's great. If it's new info, obviously it's really good that you're getting it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is Google Classroom and the 2 things that you need to do every single day. I've noticed that some students don't appear to be doing these things, which is why I am coming on to remind you. Every single day you will have an assignment that is a material. It will say Sally Larkins posted a new material, and it will be called the assignment for and then the day's date. So you can see that there was Monday's assignment, and here's Tuesday's assignment, and you will have hopefully read the assignment for today, which I haven't posted because don't tell anybody I'm recording this on Tuesday. The assignment for Tuesday was to do any work from Monday that you didn't complete, and then to answer the question of the day, and then to do this Ed puzzle activity. And there were full instructions here on how to complete that assignment. It also said here that if you had questions about any of that work, you should send me an email. And it also said that I was on Google Meet on Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. that should have said a.m. to answer any questions that you had. And so that gives you tons of information about the work you're supposed to do and how you can reach me if you need help. Number 1 task every day will be answering your question of the day. And that's the other thing on Google Classroom that I always want you to make sure you do every single day. The question will be posted and it will be labeled QOTD with the day's date. Click on it, answer the question, comment on a classmate's response if you feel like it, obviously being kind and polite, and then that part of your to-do list is done. This will appear in your Google Classroom to-do list because it is a question. The assignment page will not because it is a material. You, however, still need to read it every single day. So today's assignment says that if you have not completed the work for Monday or Tuesday, you should start by going back and completing all of those things. And there's not that much. Then you need to answer today's question of the day. Then you need to record your first escape activity on Flipgrid. Yesterday's lesson on Edpuzzle was all about explaining what an escape activity is and what you should put on Flipgrid to document your activity. So if I'm saying these words and you don't know what I'm talking about, that is a sign that you need to definitely go back and watch the Edpuzzle assignment from Tuesday. That's where I explain the whole idea of the class. When you understand what an escape activity is and what you're supposed to post on Flipgrid, then you are ready to look at today's assignment. It says that you will go to this document and pick an activity to do. Lots of fun stuff. Maybe I will memorize a scene from my favorite movie and act it out with a family member. I'm going to get my husband to do that with me. He will not want to do that very much. That's okay. And then I'm going to complete the activity and upload a Flipgrid to the grid week 1, task 1 to show me, most importantly, and the rest of the class what you did. And there's some reminders here. You'll need to post 3 videos this week. We'll normally do 5, but since we're starting on Wednesday, it'll be 3 this week. You can do one every day. You can mix up how many you do a day. They're due on Saturday at noon. Your Flipgrid must show you doing the activity. It can't be you just telling me about the activity. You must show me either yourself doing it in the moment or showing me your finished product. And if you're having any problems with Flipgrid, rather than just not doing the Flipgrid, please email me. I'm just going to quickly pop over to Flipgrid to show you what you'll see. You'll post your first activity of the week on the frog, your second activity of the week on the dog, and the third activity of the week on the butterfly. And again, 1 video per topic and no repeats on your escape categories. So if you do a social activity today, you can't do a social activity for your next one. You got to mix it up. One final thing to point out to you is that I have made a special grid here that has some example escape videos that I did last quarter. There are 6 activities here, and you can watch any of them for some inspiration about what activities to do or how you can show me what you've done. So check those out, and you'll see my dog and me doing some working out, and you might even see me doing the renegade. When you are done, that's it. And if you have questions, I'm going to keep saying it. Please reach out to me. I'm here to answer them. So again, big takeaways. Always do the question of the day, and always read the assignment that I post for the day. That's where you'll find all the information you could possibly ever want to know. And if you do those 2 things, you're going to be in great shape. I look forward to seeing your first escape videos, and please reach out if you need anything from me. Have a great day.